All right, so for those of you who think that the planet is dead, right? Look at these rocks, bro. These are rocks. You feel me? These rocks literally have greenery, right? Vegetation. Yes. These rocks literally have vegetation growing out of them, right? So how can something that's dead produce life? It can't. You feel me? It can't, right? Rocks are alive. This planet is alive. Yes, rocks. Oh shit, I dropped my towel. Woo. Oh, it's fine. Yes, you feel me? Rocks, alive. Um, think twice before you desecrate nature. Okay? Think twice before you litter. You know what I'm saying? Think twice before you speak blasphemy in my mother's name. Real talk.